present here today, I believe we all understand why we are gathered here today. For now is the time to reap the fruits of our hard work, perseverance, and fortitude despite the adversities that we have encountered. As a result, I can clearly see and understand that getting thrill and excitement behind your expression. Every single one of us is sensible to why we have arrived in this juncture, right? Nevertheless, they are us if we actually realize why. Because the last time I have checked, this day is not solely for us graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, it is also for our mothers, fathers, and guardians who hold vertically and selflessly to support us in this journey. The pieces of sacrifice that they have made in order to bring us in this point in time, certainly we have parents working from morning to night or sometimes 24/7 in their office or at home, just to receive a paycheck to make ends meet. It does not only revolve around financial aid. It is also about the emotional and mental support that they have given us for countless of years. Perhaps, in the instance that we have failed to notice, in consideration of the foregoing, we cannot formally push this event without honoring our dear parents. Please allow me to thank my parents. Ang aking nanay at tatay, ang aking buhay, ang inspirasyon ko sa pagpapatuloy, inspirasyon ko sa pagtupad ng aking mga pangarap. Ang inyong pong suporta at pagmamahal ang aking nagiging pundasyon sa pagpapatuloy ng aking buhay. Di po tayo mayaman, pero nagsisikap kayo para maibigay kailangan sa araw-araw. May mga araw na pagod na kayo, ngunit hindi nyo ito iniinda. Hindi sapat ang salitang salamat. Ngunit salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo ninyo para sa akin, sa amin. Salamat po dahil kahit anong pagsubok na dumating, hindi nyo pa rin kami iniiwan at pinapabayaan. Salamat po dahil naniniwala kayo sa aking kakayanan at nagtitiwala kayo sa akin. Bilib po ako sa pagiging matatag ninyo at proud ako na may mga magulang akong katulad ninyo. Your love, support, and guidance have helped shape me into the person I am today. I love you, Naita. Our parents, they are our supporters, comforters, and even teachers at home. They also teach us good values and traits, which make us a better person. And most of all, they are our inspiration in pursuing our dreams, and they are our everything. Even though they are tired of working and making money just to send us to good school and to provide our needs, they still try their best and never give up. During the times when we are so sad for being scolded because of our mistakes, they comfort us. Sometimes we demand too much, but still you, our parents, understand us. Though there are times we talk back to them, they still forgive us. Even though they are busy, they still find time to bond with us and support us with the things we wanted to do. When we get sick, they are the ones who take care of us. Even though they are also sick and tired, for they love us so much. Your effort, sacrifices, and hard work are incomparable. And we want to return it back by dedicating all these awards and achievements to you. We just want you to know that we truly appreciate it in our hearts. We are forever thankful and grateful for you, our parents. For without all of you, we will not be here today receiving our certificates and diplomas. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and love. We might not always say these words, but we want to say thank you and we love you.